Theros adventures in search of eternal summer. And I think we found it. Summer is in Dartmouth. For today anyway. Oh. And here is Theros. We have not been on board for a couple of years. Oh, what do you think, Captain? How does it feel to be back at your boat?
I'm blue. It's good to be back.
Oh. Good morning, Dartmouth Yacht Club. It's a beautiful, warm, sunny day.
It's time for me to get down to some consultancy work. The Yacht Club Lounge is a lovely workspace.
Morning everyone. It's before 7 o'clock in the morning. My husband got me up at 5:30 today for some unknown reason. And we're heading out in search of boat parts. Yeah, we might be gone for some time, and so might our bank account. So, Captain, what are you getting today, and where are we going?
Oh, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. We're going to a fiberglass shop right now just to pick up a few things. Then I'll probably go and buy some electronics.
Jolly good. I think I better look for another job as well.
This was on the wall of an old house in downtown Dartmouth.
So guess what? Theros isn't the only thing getting shipshape. The captain is as well. Wow. Good morning, Theros. State of organised chaos. You don't want to see inside at the moment. Anyway, this is our view from the swim platform of our boat today. Isn't it lovely? What a gorgeous sight, all these boats.
Well, folks, Theros gets to go in the water today. For the first time in 3 years. We get to splash.
It's a bit of a grey day here at the Dartmouth Yacht Club. Slightly dank. What are you doing?
I was looking for this.
Oh, the fender.
I was at the yacht club this morning, ready to lend a hand to the captain to help put Theros back in the water. But time was running on a little bit while Theros was being picked up by the travel lift, and then I had to break off to join a conference call with one of my clients. I'm currently working for a UK-based NGO that has a network around the world, and they're working on upscaling their humanitarian response capability. So the project I'm working on at the moment is to assist them to roll out some training in relation to that. And I had to spend a couple of hours on a call with colleagues based in various parts of the world. That's just how it is. I do what I can when I can in this prep phase, but I've got a load of boat jobs lined up for me to do at the weekend.
So, Captain, how did the splash go?
Well, it was pretty uneventful, actually. Put me in bow out, so it was easy just to drive off of the straps. I don't appear to have any leaks anywhere, which you always check when you put a boat in the water, especially after sitting a couple of years. The motor worked great. I motored out to the outside here, spun the boat around because I wanted to back in, and I do have a normal port draw. So we managed to do it. Sarah sadly had to be on her correspondence with her people, so I was basically alone on this one, and we brought her in with no problem at all. Backed it into the slip because we can now step on and off, and so this I like. I don't even have to look to get onto the boat. Now the big work comes. A lot of the cleanup we couldn't do on shore, so now that we're off here, and of course it's a rainy day, I can start putting the sails up, getting everything out of the cabins that's just packed inside. We can wash the decks down, clean them up really good, and I'm going to take off the solar panels that are on the boat and put on 6 new ones that will hopefully fit a little better and will have more power out of them, and we'll get her ready to go. The electric engine was working fine coming out. We've got shore power right now, so we're looking good there, and I'm real happy with the way she's going. So cheers to Theros.
Yeah, so that's cool. It's great to have Theros back in the water. The captain did a great job, single-handedly, but he always does a great job.